In this video, we're going to do an example problem of how to find the 6 trigonometric function values in a right triangle. Now, the first thing to do, if it's not done already for you, is to complete the triangle or to find the missing side of that right triangle. So I'm assuming if you've gotten this far that you can do Pythagorean's theorem. So this side, this missing side, is going to be the square root of 12 squared minus 10 squared. So the square root of 144 minus 100, which is the square root 44, which is 2 square root 11. Okay. Now what I like to do after I've completed the triangle and before I start finding all of my sine, cosine, tangent, etc., is I like to label the sides of the triangle. So using this angle theta as my reference angle, I'm going to label my opposite side, which is over here, my adjacent side, and my hypotenuse. And now I can simply use my opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse definitions. So the sine of angle theta is equal to the length opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So I'm going to do this kind of scratch work over here real quick because I want to just write the answers down here. If I take the opposite, 2 square root of 11 divided by the hypotenuse, 12. I also wanted to show that there is some reducing. 2 goes into 12 6 times. So my sine of angle theta is the square root of 11 divided by 6. The cosine of angle theta is going to be the adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So 10 over 12 reduces to 5 over 6. And the tangent of angle theta is the opposite divided by the adjacent. And if I do the necessary reducing, we get the square root of 11 divided by 5. Okay, so that's our first 3. To finish this, I need to find the reciprocal ratios. So sine's reciprocal is cosecant. So again, let me kind of show that as maybe scratch work out here. All I'm going to do is take my fraction and flip it over. So that's going to be 6 divided by square root of 11. Now you do have to rationalize that, and you're expected to be able to rationalize. So if I multiply top and bottom by the square root of 11, that's going to give me 6 square root of 11 over 11. And for the secant, we're just going to take 5 over 6 and reciprocal that fraction to 6/5. And for the cotangent, we're going to take this fraction, we have to flip it over. And if you can then rationalize that in your head, that would be excellent. We would get 5 square root of 11 over 11. And there you are. There are the 6 trig function values from a right triangle.